Are you trying to decide between HubSpot and Zendesk for your business's customer service needs? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how these two industry-leading platforms stack up, and by the end, you'll be able to choose the best solution to support your customers and grow your business. Let's dive right in. Now, according to a recent CIO report, a whopping 55% of companies plan to invest in improving customer experience. With customer satisfaction now a top priority, picking the right customer service software is absolutely critical. Both Zendesk and HubSpot are widely respected options, but they serve different needs, priorities, and business styles. Zendesk, first of all, is built with customer support at its core. It's laser-focused on optimizing the user experience, helping support teams respond quickly and with all the context they need. Think of Zendesk like a concierge at a high-end hotel, making sure every guest gets personalized care and their issues are resolved smoothly. On the other hand, HubSpot is more like a helpful guide for your entire customer journey, not just support. As a comprehensive CRM platform, HubSpot helps you attract, convert, and delight customers at every stage. So, let's dig deeper. What sets these tools apart? Let's start with artificial intelligence and automation. Zendesk boasts smart AI-powered chatbots, predictive analytics, and answer bots designed to offload repetitive questions and speed up resolutions. This is especially handy if your business receives a lot of similar support requests, or you want to provide instant answers even outside office hours. HubSpot also has AI features, like its ChatSpot AI conversational bot, which is helpful for automating basic customer interactions, but its main strength is weaving automation throughout sales, marketing, and support. Omni-channel capabilities are another big differentiator. Zendesk shines here, offering web and in-app messaging, live chat, SMS, telephony, and email, so you can meet customers wherever they are without juggling multiple platforms. If you want a true command center for all your support channels, Zendesk makes your agents' jobs easier. HubSpot, meanwhile, offers multi-channel support with custom views and tools for managing conversations across email, live chat, and more. It's excellent for teams that juggle marketing and sales touchpoints alongside support. Help desk and ticketing features. Zendesk offers robust ticketing, automated workflows, and collaborative workspaces to help teams resolve issues quickly. You can set triggers so common problems are routed to the right agents, and it feels almost like a smart traffic controller managing busy intersections. HubSpot's ticketing pipeline is newer, but it's been shown to increase ticket closure rates by up to 32% thanks to a simple interface and powerful automation. Knowledge management is vital for self-service. With Zendesk, you get advanced FAQ bots and tools for publishing helpful content so your customers can solve simple issues without waiting for support. HubSpot's AI-powered knowledge base is great too, helping teams create detailed article libraries, although its capabilities are a little less advanced in this department. Integrations and reporting. Zendesk supports over 1,500 third-party apps, making it a powerhouse for connecting your tech stack. HubSpot comes close with over 1,000 and also offers unified reporting dashboards for keeping an eye on customer metrics and team performance. Both platforms make it easy to identify opportunities for improvement with customizable analytics. Then, there's pricing. Zendesk's lowest plan starts at $19 monthly, and HubSpot offers even more flexibility, with a free CRM version available and paid plans starting at just $15 per month if billed annually. So if budget is a key concern, HubSpot might look more attractive, especially for smaller businesses or those wanting CRM features beyond support. So, which platform is the better fit for you? If your main challenge is handling customer support efficiently, Zendesk's specialized tools and integrations might give you the edge. If you're looking for a holistic CRM to manage everything from marketing to sales to support, HubSpot could be the smarter choice. I hope this breakdown helped clarify the strengths and differences between Zendesk and HubSpot. Let me know in the comments which platform you're leaning towards, or drop any questions you have about these tools. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful business tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.